Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are looking for this kind of problem in your Instagram, like we restrict certain activity to protect our community, this is the error for which you cannot follow or like or do anything on Instagram. Now I will tell you how you can solve this error. First of all, you have to open the Instagram. After you have opened Instagram, then I will tell you in detail that how you can solve this error by this method. First of all, you have to click on profile. After that, you have to click on three lines. In three lines, you have to click on settings. In settings, you have to click on help. In help, you have to click on report a problem. In report a problem, you have to mention your problem, what the problem is occurring to you. So I have already written the text for the problem which is occurring, which is as restrict certain activity. So you have to write this, and you have to also attach a screenshot of this error from your gallery, or you can also take a take screenshot of live. After taking screenshot and writing this wording, you can click on submit, and your problem will be solved within 48 hours by the Instagram community team. If the problem is again occurring, you can comment us and mention why the problem is occurring to you. After that, we will tell you how you can tackle this problem. Hope you have liked this information. If you are new to this channel, kindly like this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you.